All right, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I've given you guys an update of what's it been like living inside LA. What's like the daily life living inside LA. It's like looking at our neighbors outside. But I think I'm gonna give you guys an update and kind of just like the typical day for us. What's it like living here? It is a Saturday morning and we have to do a couple quick things, do some couple errands. Gonna go to the store real quick, go to a Target, try to get some stuff for the house. I might take the Jeep. I don't really drive it that much since I don't really go anywhere really during the week, so we might take the Jeep. Who knows? I know for sure we might go to Universal later. So if we do go to Universal later, that vlog will be up on Angelia's channel, the theme park channel. But I don't know. Let's get going. Let's go to the store. Let's see what else we're gonna do today. Let's go. Stealing my bike.
We could get this for the room.
The spare room? We could. I wish we had.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I wish we did have like a little table.
Let's put it in and think of it.
Alright.
These are Kevin. These little cute.
Oh, I guess we could put some in.
That's how it's in a wooden bowl.
I've been like. Hey, which one is that? Is that Trix?
Yeah.
Oh. Yep.
This is so nasty.
Ooh. This the Cheerios one? Oh, it smells just like Cheerios.
Oh, it doesn't smell too
What is that? Cocoa?
Yeah.
That's not.
Why? I'm not a fan.
Cinnamon toast. Did I try this one? Oof.
This was $95, not $66.
Oh, really? This one's huge.
I was thinking for next to the fireplace, I do really want to
Move everything. It's like silver though.
Slytherin colors.
That would be. Did you see this?
Look at this one. Why is he on cruise?
The nun. That's literally terrifying. Oh my god.
You're like, oh, buying it.
Yep. I was gonna get that siren, but nope. Just got done inside of Target. Spent more money than probably we should have. Just bought more stuff. But at the gas station right now, the Jeep is definitely thirsty. Gas prices have gone down. It's like $5.79 now for unleaded. Boys, I have a surprise. Let me grab it.
Come here, dogs. Come here.
Weege.
Come here, Weege. Here, come here.
Go, boys.
The boys, look! Here, did you win?
So, I mean, they have all these other toys here, too.
Is that your favorite toy? Oh, you want the new shiny toy, huh? Here, do you love it?
Legion doesn't really play with toys.
You gotta share it with your bruv.
I forgot this. Man. Stuff. Wow. 25 of them. Let me go keep one more. Alright, my tool. My desk took off. Okay, we have so much stuff we took out of our bedroom. Still have to go through a lot of boxes. Found all my old retro toys and stuff like that. So much stuff to do, but long story short, the bedroom is taken out. The floor, it still has this carpet glue on. It came up like pretty decently, but it's not perfect. So long story short, this is still like, it's not great, but we're gonna get new floors anyway. But we're gonna set this up as our bedroom temporarily while we have the guest room occupied when people are gonna be visiting again. Over there, the subfloor, when they did the addition to the house. So we did clean this up. Just did some mopping again with some Google. I'm trying to get this stuff up, but I think it's okay. It's all right for right now. It's like I was saying, the whole point of this room for now is just to have it set up as our bedroom, because this is gonna be our bedroom, but just to get it semi set up just for the time period. When we first moved into the house, we did sleep in here, but once we ripped up the carpet, we didn't sleep in here anymore. We just put our bed on the floor in the guest bedroom, but this will be our bedroom in the time being. The goal is going to be also, we are going to be painting this room again. So repainting the room, get the floors done, and everything like that. But yeah, it's kind of what it is right now. It is so much stuff, but the subfloor and then the original floors. You can see how much more of what the addition was from like here over the addition of the house. So it's fun stuff.